Hi everyone. So finally, we're back with a new video, and today's video is going to be very special. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Opus 4.8, GPT 5.5, and other models for free after watching this video. First, you need to go to Google. After that, you need to search ClickUp, and you'll see the first link. And so let's click here. And after that, you'll see the Brain AI option. We need to go to the platform overview. So click there here. After that, try Brain for free. So after that, guys, click on sign up, and then continue with Google. Then after that, your workspace will be created, guys. And first, you'll see the home screen like this. After that, you don't have to do anything here. You'll see a lot of options here. But here, we're going to focus only on the AI. And you'll see the AI option here. Click here. And after that, guys, if you click here, you'll see all the top models available for free. Many, like the 4.8 gigabyte GBP, 5.5 gigabytes, all these models above. And before that, guys, you'll see 5th credits here, which you can use. The best part is that no matter how big your print is, it will only be used once. If you type in any print here, like I'll show you here for a demo. So I've given one print here, and only one credit of mine has been used here. No matter how large your copy is, only one credit will be used here, which is the best thing I found about this website. So finally, guys, you can see that it has created the copy we gave you earlier, and you can also test it here. You can see how great it looks here. And if you make a good progress now, you can imagine how good their result will be. And here, each of our credits has been used, which I told you about. And if I want to give you another example, here we select up again. And this time I'm going to give you a very big print of basically the bull stock or portfolio example here. You can read it here. So you can see it here. If I press enter, here you'll see that only one credit has been used here, and this is going to take a lot of time. So I just wanted to tell you that no matter how big your print is, you'll be able to use it, and you'll be able to basically build it. And here it is asking for some options which you need to provide. And that's all for today's video.